Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. I had my chicken soaking in salt water and lemon juice and lemon, so I'm gonna wash it up really well. And just like this, this is the jerk seasoning that I'm using, but you could pretty much use the brand that you prefer, as well as some smoked paprika and some liquid smoke. These wings are not being made on a grill, so this is why I'm adding some pho, some pho smoky flavor where I can. So that's my little touch that I added to it, but they're optional to be honest, but I wanted that extra flavor, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, so now you're going to pop them in the oven until they're nice and golden brown and ready to go. I'm always messing around in the background. These are my strawberries. I'm about to make some strawberry lemonade, so I'm going to make some strawberry simple syrup. Just water, sugar, and strawberries. This is the lemonade. Y'all already know how to make lemonade, so I don't really need to show y'all how to make lemonade. But make lemonade, sweeten it how you prefer, and put it to the side. Alright, so this is what my wings look like after about 35 minutes in the oven. I did pour off the liquid because you don't want that. So pour the liquid off of there. You could also reserve it. You want to add your favorite barbecue sauce to your wings. This is my actual barbecue sauce that will be out this summer. So I'll have it for sale. It's called Peach Please, and it has pieces of peaches in the sauce. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys, and I can't wait. But your favorite barbecue sauce works here. Any barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, use it. So the side, of course, as you see from the title, I'm doing fries. Of course, I wasn't going to make them from scratch, child. And I'm also going to add some ranch seasoning to the fries. So this is how you do the lemonade. You just pour the lemonade into your glass. Don't fill it all the way to the top. And then you're just going to strain out some of your strawberry syrup right down in there. By the way, I simmered the syrup for 10 minutes on medium heat until the strawberries broke down. And that was it. It's so easy and simple. You can't mess it up. And that's my strawberry lemonade. Super cool. So now I'm just going to plate the food up. I'm going to taste it at the end. And I'm going to let you guys know what I thought about it. Thank you guys for watching. A fry or two. Yum. Oh. I didn't want to deep fry the fries, you guys. If you want to, you could go ahead, but I didn't feel like frying anything today. This is my peach barbecue sauce that's coming really, really soon. I'm currently working. So, ooh, yes, God. The jerk with the barbecue sauce is just, Next time I'll do a real mukbang, y'all. I've got that out the way. Let's get into something a little more serious. I've been in a funk for the past 2 days because I just lost one of my chef friends. He passed away. I found out 2 days ago. However, he passed away 9 days before that. And it's just like, it put things in perspective. Like, you know, I don't keep up with my friends and family as much as I should. I understand we all have our own lives, and we get so caught up in our own issues, problems, and lives that we can't tend to every single friend or every single family member. But I feel like 9 days to not hear from somebody and I didn't even check on them or anything, that's a long time. Because, you know, I never thought someone close to me would pass from the demon that's outside right now. He was type 1 diabetic. Some of you may know the issues that come with being diabetic, type 1 or type 2. I'm not clear on every single issue, but I know a little something. And you know, in the news they tell you if you have underlying issues and you get the virus, you know, you have a greater chance. I'm not saying you will, so don't take this and start with me. You have a greater chance of getting up out of here if you have underlying issues. And you know, I don't know where he was at or what happened as to how he ended up getting it, but I'm just so disappointed and just so like sad that it happened to him. You know, I don't want it to happen to anybody, but just to him. Mainly because, you know, he's been such an inspiration to so many people, you know, his community, his self, trying to keep his health in contact because of being diabetic. He's been doing so good. He's a healthy cooker, and he pushed health and healthy eating within himself and his community. It's all up and down his page, and you know, he always tell me like, hey, you know, did you juice today? Or hey, you know, you should do this. Maybe you should steam this next time. Maybe you should bake this next time. And it's just like, it sucks. You know, I hate that it happened to him. He was just such a happy person. Uplift and empower people on a daily basis because he was a people person. Always around people, always happy, always sharing knowledge and things like that. So I'm just really, really sad that happened to him. You know, Thomas, I don't know. I'm just doing my little contribution because I didn't get to do anything. I couldn't even say goodbye. I couldn't pay my respects. I couldn't do nothing because I knew nothing. And it's just, and another reason why it put me in such a funk is it threw me back and reminded me to when my father passed, because my father passed without, I couldn't be there for him. I couldn't hold his hand. I wasn't there. I wasn't there to get his last words. I wasn't anything. And this situation just really brought me back there, you know. Just wanted to tell everybody, please, y'all, please, especially if you got underlying issues, stay in the house. Like, stay in the house. Please stay in the house. Please wash your hands. Even when you go to the grocery store, come back and put your bags down. Clean wherever area that was that had the bags. It's like the little things. I'm so sorry this happened to you. And I'm just so aggravated. I'm so aggravated. Like, I find out 9 days later. 9 days later. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to check on my friends and family a lot more than I have been. And, you know, just to put my mind at ease, because y'all, this virus is serious. It's serious, and I wish people would start taking it serious, you know. But I'll holler at y'all later, and hopefully I have some other content. I can't do any braces updates because all dentist offices are closed, so I'm gonna see what else I can come up with. If you guys have any topics, just list them below and I'll get to it. Love you guys.